So now let's see how we can work around with the split screen effect inside of Filmora. So in order to apply the split screen effect, first of all, you need to click on the split screen tab right here. And then over here, you can see that there's different split screens that you can work with. So over here, I'm just going to go around and bring in 1:2 right here, 1:2 split screen. And you can see that now what I can do is I can drag in the first video right here, and then drag in another video right over here, just like this. So what happens is that now the video, both of the video, they play at the same time and the split screen has taken into effect. So you can go around and then expand this in size just like that, and then rest of the video comes in just like that as well. So another thing that you can do is you can go around and then add in another split screen video as well. So I'm just going to go around onto, let's say for example, I'm going to just press OK, and if I were to go ahead and then bring in another split screen, you got 3 videos as you can see. So I can just click and drag it, and then that's it. You can see that now the videos are playing in a different way. You can even see that there's an animation that plays in the beginning that plays it out like that, and you see that there are 3 video clips all together just like that. You can expand this out as well. So once you do that, you can see that that is how it looks. So you can go around and then click on each one of these footage as well, and you can zoom in and zoom out of these footage as you can see right here. You can mute them out, or you can go around with the settings right there. So this is how it looks. So when you double click, you can see that you can move this around right here. You can move this around as well. So those are the options that you get. You can go around and then see how you can work around with it. You can go to advanced right here as well. And once you click on advanced, you can click and drag this around around these videos individually and zoom in and zoom out of it just like that, as you can see. So if you want any portion of the video, let's say for example, you want, let's say this portion of the video, then you can just go around and zoom in. Let's say you want the people portion of the video, you can simply select that out. And over here you have a timeline which you can use to select the different timings of the videos as well. And that is how you can use the split screen effect inside of Filmora. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.